you know that Japan is a country of Japanese tea. People love drinking tea, but at the same time, Japanese people fell in love with coffee. And the Blue Mountain Coffee is the best quality of the world. And the day of January 9th of 1967, that is the sort of origin of the Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee Days. And that is the first shipment from Jamaica to Japan. So we commemorate that date. Then that becomes the Jamaican Blue Mountain Day. That said, the significance of our bilateral relations.
Yeah.
And Consul General just mentioned 70% of the whole great Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee come to Japan. So we are very proud of that. And on top of that, talking about Jamaica, the music, reggae music, and Bob Marley, he came to Japan in 1979, and all the Japanese audiences are so impressed by the music, and so good things. So we've been collaborating a lot.
Yes, yes.
And this is the second year for us to celebrate this Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee Days in New York. So it's something.
And we will be celebrating every year.
Yes.
You know, going
So
forward.
this is new tradition in New York.
Yes.
So Blue Mountain Coffee. Yeah. And the thing is, we started in the middle of the pandemic last year. So we overcome this pandemic.
Yes.
And this year it's much bigger audiences. We come together
Yes.
in person.
Yes, yes.
Great thing.
And not to stir away from the Blue Mountain Coffee, but speaking about reggae music, we have actually with us Miss Pat Chin, and she's sitting right behind you, and our son Christopher Chin, and of course they are the owner of VP Records, and VP Records of course is the producer of reggae music in the U.S. worldwide, and I just found out that they also have office in Tokyo. All right, Miss Pat, yes. So yes, so there is also a city.
So it's not just the coffee, it transcends throughout the culture.
Of course.
So two of the most important things of the life, coffee and
Coffee
music.
and-
Oh, we are united.
Coffee,
Absolutely.
Blue Mountain Coffee,
Oh, so
and
yes,
reggae
yes,
music.
yes, exactly. It's a,
Similar celebrations like this one in Japan and Jamaica for
Yes.
Coffee Day? What does that
Yes,
look like?
in fact, just yesterday in Japan, at the embassy in Japan, our Ambassador Richards had hosted Blue Mountain Coffee Day, and I watched it a little bit. You know, they're about 20 hours ahead, so it was a little difficult to keep up. But I watched it and it was fantastic.
it's a 60th anniversary of the independence of
Yes,
Jamaica,
yes.
and 50 years anniversary of the first shipment of Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee to Japan.
Yes.
And we're importing 70% of it.
Yes.
Means the most of the entire history of our relation covering the so nice history
Yes, yes.
of your country.
Yeah, very rich history. And then Japan celebrates Coffee Day
Yes.
as well. Big celebrations,
Yes.
just like in Jamaica.
Yes.
We have partnered with our Japanese friends, led by my counterpart, Ambassador Yamanouchi, to host this extraordinary event. Thank you, Ambassador, for your sterling support, and of course, that of the government and the people of Japan. This partnership emphasizes the long-standing bilateral relationship between Jamaica and Japan, which has been built, of course, on mutual understanding and common interest. Japan remains the largest importer of Jamaica Blue Mountain Coffee, which represents approximately 70% of Jamaica's exports of this golden treasure, which we all know as our Blue Mountain Coffee. I have not, and I've never tasted a cup of our Blue Mountain Coffee, ever, and was not satisfied. It is 15 degrees outside today, and as such, I am asking you to join me in sipping a cup of our fantastic Blue Mountain Coffee. Let us indulge in this legendary luxury flavor of our Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee. One love.
We have 3 anniversaries today. One, the 60th anniversary of the independence of this great nation, Jamaica. Congratulations.
Thank you.
The second, 55th anniversary of the first shipment, first export of Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee to Japan. That was January 9th of 1967, 55 years. Congratulations. And also, this year marks 40th anniversary of the establishment of the Association of the Japanese companies importing Jamaican Blue Mountain Coffee. So 3 anniversaries. What a great, great occasion. Thank you very much. And it tells our special relationship between Japan and Jamaica. In the United Nations, the countries lines according to the alphabetical order. Jamaica. Japan. They're always Japan.